Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can harvest tall fruits or tall plants and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, Grow a Garden 2 has been released and this is how the game looks like. And if you want to harvest tall fruits, I would like to recommend you to use ladder like this. You can place the ladder near the tall fruits and start to climb the ladder and just harvest the fruits or the plants. And to get a ladder, you need to go to the props shop right here and you're going to buy crate, which is called the ladder crate like this. It costs 30k shekels, and from this ladder crate, these are the possible ladder that you can get. I got the gold one, and I'm going to place the ladder so we can open it. This one. Okay, and it doesn't take long time to open, guys. Oh, I got legendary ladder. And if you want to place it, guys, you need to go to the build menu and select build, select the ladder, and place the ladder in your garden. Just like this, and you can climb it like this to help you harvest tall fruits. Okay guys, and that's how you can harvest a tall fruit and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.